In this lesson, we are going to solve word problems with descriptions of operations. Okay, and then we'll provide some evidence that our solution is in fact a solution. So this example 1 reads, 8 more than 5 times a number is 18. What is or are the values of the unknown? 8 more than 5 times a number. If we want 8 more than something, then we add 8. 8 more, then that means we actually go back like before this. So 8 more than 5 times a number. 5 times, I don't know, a number is 18. So just be very careful with this because the language is what's going to get you on here. So 8 more than 5 times a number is 18. 8 more than 5 times a number is 18. And then all we do is solve it like we usually do. So 5w equals 10 divided by 5. And w equals 2. Let's try this example 2. 7 less, so minus 7. So this much less than, so this much is 7 less than 3 times a number, I don't know why, is less than 9. So 7 less than 3 times a number. 7 less than 3 times a number. To get 7 less than something, I have to do minus 7. It's 7 less than 3 times a number is less than 9. All right. So as usual, we solve using inverse operations. 9 plus 7 is 16. Y is less than, some of y'all forget this sign, don't forget the sign. 3 goes into 16 5 times. 1 is left over. 1 over 3 is 3 repeating. All right, example 3. If 3 less than, so 3 less than, negative 4 times a number is greater than or equal to 17. So 3 less than negative 4 times a number is greater than or equal to 17. All right, let's solve it as usual. (17 plus 3 is 20. Now we divide by negative 4. But don't forget in this lesson, when you divide by a negative or multiply by a negative, you have to flip the sign. So x is not greater than or equal to, it's less than or equal to. A positive over a negative is a negative 5. All right, let's try our last one with some proof/evidence. So when 9 is subtracted from 3 times a number, the result is less than negative 21. Okay, so when 9 is subtracted from 3 times a number, the result is less than negative 21. So I will add 9. And we get 3w is less than 12, negative 12, because there's more negatives there. We divide by 3, divide by 3. W should be less than, negative divided by positive is a negative 4. So W is less than negative 4. So let's make W like any number, right? Any number that's less than negative 4. But I'm just going to make it, I don't know, negative 5. remember, this is not the only number w can be, but this is one of the numbers. It can be any number less than negative 4. So instead of w, I am going to substitute in negative 5. Actually, let me back up to make it easy. Make it easier for you to see. I'm going to write my original inequality. Instead of w, I need to put a number less than negative 4, because w is any number less than negative 4, such as negative 5. It can also be like negative 6, negative 4.1, negative 100. It can be all of these, like any number less than negative 4. I'm going to use negative 5. 3 times negative 5 minus 9 should be less than negative 21. So that's negative 15. And that gives me negative 24 is less than negative 21. And that is, in fact, correct. Cool. Now let's do something that doesn't work. So w cannot be, what's not less than negative 4? What's greater than negative 4? I don't know, like 5. I'll use a different number digit. Let's use 6. So instead of 3 times w minus 9 is less than negative 21, let's substitute in the 6 for the w. 3 times 6 is 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. But 9 is not less than negative 21. So, yeah, that one's wrong. But, I mean, it was designed to be wrong, right? Thank you.